Hi friends, it's Daira. Welcome back to my channel. So I just got a box from Cliove Organics. If you don't know about this company, I have used them. I've used their keratin smoothing system, which I absolutely love. So they sent me some stuff, so I'm going to do this unboxing and show you guys what I got. Let's open the box and see what I got. Okay, I figured this would be a better view, so we can see everything. I'm in my office right now at home and the sun is starting to set. I have a lot of windows in here, but the lighting in here is not good, so I'm trying to catch a little bit of sunlight that's left. But look guys, oh, so exciting. I'm excited. I'm excited to try this blow dryer. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna show you guys what's in the box, but when I actually use it, I'm going to show you how it works and give you a detailed review and all that on it. I'm excited. Okay, y'all see this flat iron? You know you love doing hair when you get excited and so worked up about tools and products. Look at it. Hold up, I have to take it out. I know I said I was gonna wait till I actually used it, but I can't wait. Let's take this out. You guys see that? Ooh, I'm excited. I can't wait to use it. And then this is the hair mask, which I absolutely love. The oil, which I love. This is the oil that I use in my hair at the moment, and I do love it, and it smells so good. And then I got shampoo. I don't know, you guys can see it's in the plastic, but shampoo. This is the keratin treatment. Curl cream. This is clarifying shampoo. I love this. I love this. And conditioner. So this is all the products. If you haven't watched my video on how I do this treatment, I'm going to link it again. I'm going to link it so that you guys can watch it. But I have to find a model. So I'm trying to think which one of my clients I can use. I'm probably going to have to put up a post or something because everyone has gotten their keratins. I don't think anyone is due for it. And my sister probably, but that's actually who I did the video on, so I'm not going to use her again. I want to use somebody with a different texture so you guys can see how these products work with different hair textures. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to show you guys how these products work on different textures. But okay guys, that's all the products that I got. I say it like it wasn't a lot. This is a lot of stuff. But I can't wait to use the blow dryer and the flat iron and show you guys how that works. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay y'all, so as you can see how bright it is in here now. The sun actually decided to shine bright. Look how bright it got in here all of a sudden. So let me show you guys again the blow dryer. That's the blow dryer. I can't wait to use it. I can't wait to use it. And then the flat iron, which this is the box that it came in. It has the usual paperwork and stuff for the flat iron warranty and such. But this is the box. The Cliove Marvel Alpha is what it's called. I'm getting out of frame, I'm sorry. But the Cliove Marvel Alpha flat iron. This is what it looks like here. Isn't it pretty? It's so sleek. It's like a matte finish. It's black. And then on the inside it has a rose gold. I'm trying to see if you guys can see it. It has rose gold plates. And then the inside here, I don't know if it's like infrared. I gotta plug it in and see exactly what that is. But I am super excited to use this. Like the way that it feels, I already know that I'm going to be able to do those flat iron curls that I love to do. So yeah guys, I'm excited about this. I can't wait to show you guys.